In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what options you have, and how to publish confidently so the right people see your update. First, head to LinkedIn and make sure you're on your feed. If you aren't there already, click home to land on the main feed where you'll see updates from your network. This is your starting point for posting. Look for the box that says start a post and click it. And this opens the post composer where you can type your update and choose what kind of content to share. If you want to include visuals, you can add media here, select photos or videos from your device, and give them a moment to upload. Clear, high quality media tends to perform better, so pick files that look crisp and relevant to your message. You'll also see other options available from this composer. If your goal is to promote a gathering, you can choose to create an event. That opens a dedicated flow for event details. If that's not what you need right now, simply continue back to the standard post composer so you can share a regular update. There's also a template to celebrate an occasion like a milestone or achievement. If you want a more guided format for that kind of post, select it. Otherwise, continue through the prompts until you're back in the main editor. The idea is to land in the place that best fits what you want to share today. After you load your media, click Next to move forward. You'll see a preview so you can confirm everything looks right. If something appears off, you can go back, swap a file, or adjust before you proceed. Before you publish, look next to your profile name to choose who should see your post. Set your audience to match your goal. Typically, anyone for maximum reach or connections only for a more targeted share. Make sure this setting reflects your intent before you continue. Now add your caption. Keep it clear and helpful, and explain why the post matters. If you included media, reference it so readers understand the context. A concise first sentence can help catch attention in the feed. When everything looks good, hit post. LinkedIn will publish your update to the audience you selected, and it will appear on your feed and profile. That's it. You've created a LinkedIn post from start to finish. If this walkthrough helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials.